Some more breaking news coming in. CRPF DG, BSF DG hold a security meet in Jammu. The crucial security meet amid a spate of terror attacks in Jammu. Army chief to land in Jammu shortly. Breaking news coming in. CRPF DG and BSF DG hold a security meet in Jammu amid a spate of terror attacks. Army chief to land in Jammu shortly. Sunil Ji Bhatt is joining us live on the broadcast. Sunil Ji, could you tell us more about the agenda of the meet that is taking place right now?
Well, Chetna, right now I'm standing outside Jammu's technical airport, and at any time from now, I'm standing outside Jammu's technical airport, and Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi is going to land in a short while from now. Hectic preparations have been made, and he's going to take part in some important, meetings as far as security scenario is concerned in Jammu and Kashmir, particularly in the hilly areas of Jammu region. Remember, in the recent past, Jammu region has witnessed many terror attacks and encounters. We have faced casualties, and this matter is being viewed very seriously by the security establishment as well as by the government, and that is why series of meetings have taken place in the last 2-3 days, whether it was the Cabinet Committee on Security or the high-level meeting that was chaired by Union Home Minister Amit Shah in New Delhi yesterday. In yesterday's meeting, Union Home Minister clearly gave instructions to the security agencies that there should be better synergy, and they need to work in close coordination to eradicate terrorism that is once again raising its ugly head in the hilly areas of Jammu region. Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi is going to land shortly here at Jammu's technical airport, and he is straightway going to hold important meetings here. White Knight Corps Commander Lieutenant General Naveen Sachdeva and Northern Army Commander Lieutenant General Suchendra Kumar are going to take part in the meeting. Jammu and Kashmir Director General of Police R.R. Swain will also be in attendance, and other top army and security officials will be there in the meeting, and they are going to brief Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi about the current security scenario as well as about the status of the counter-terror operations that are on in the hilly districts of Jammu region, be it Doda, Kishtwar, Udhampur or Kathua. Remember, as per the intelligence sources, there is presence of terrorists in the upper reaches of Jammu region. About 40 to 50 Pakistani terrorists have managed to infiltrate. They are highly trained Pakistani terrorists equipped with some of the most modern weapons, including American-made M4 carbine rifle. These are highly trained terrorists, and in the recent past they have carried out dastardly terror attacks, and they have even managed to escape after carrying out these attacks, and that is why there is worry in the security establishment. They are trying to formulate a new strategy. Additional troops have been deployed in Jammu region. Specialized commandos are also being deployed in areas where there is suspicion that terrorists could be hiding, and you can see that there is some movement happening here outside the technical airport in Jammu. Army Chief General Upendra Dwivedi is going to land shortly, and he is going to chair important security related meetings here in Jammu division. Hilly areas of Jammu region had become terror free almost.
Right,